I am not ashamed of saying that I'm a flawed human being. But I'm really wanting to just go hug him and ask him, what is the plan? I'm sure it is a plan. But somewhere I sense that she's still carrying the baggage. So I'm giving her that space and time for her to just shed off the burden, because it will be difficult for her only.
One of the strongest contestants in Bigg Boss 14, someone who truly won everyone's heart like a true queen, was Rubina Dilek, and today I have her with me on Bollywood Bubble. Welcome to Bollywood Bubble.
Thank you,
Rubina,
thank you,
firstly.
thank you.
Tell me your journey on. Before I get started, let me just wear the mask. Good.
5 महीने मुझे पता नहीं था बात क्या होगा।
अच्छी बात है, अब पता चलेगा आपको. But tell me something, your journey inside the house was interesting in a lot of ways because you had your share of ups and downs. Despite the popular belief that you're a star, so you'll get it easy, you had your struggles, right? Be it your personal struggle inside, and of course the other professional struggles that we have seen. Now, in this moment, when you hold this trophy, do you think all of it was worth it?
Every ounce of it was worth it, and let me tell you, everything that glitters is not gold. People may think that things are rosy, it's easier, but through the journey of my life, I somewhere wanted to touch everybody's heart and let them know we all go through same problems, we all share same challenges, we all have our ups and downs, and it is okay to embrace them. It's okay to be flawed. It's okay to face failures. So that was the entire intention of keeping my life as an open book, and for people to experience that it's not that rosy as it looks, and it is absolutely okay to hold myself together in the weakest of my moments, embrace it, pick myself up, and move on.
I think one thing which made all of us connect with you was your vulnerability as well, Rubina. To be very honest, I am someone who really supported you because I could feel that it isn't easy for you, right? But when Abhinav came out and we spoke to him and he said that, Bigg Boss helped both of you reconcile and have a better relationship. We also saw that he proposed you for another marriage inside. What is happening? Is that serious? Was it just a moment in which he just said, are you really contemplating about it? Because it is a new big thing.
Yes, absolutely. I am looking forward for it, though I don't know what the plans he has made for the entire thing. After my winning moment, only 2 minutes I could exchange my victory kiss with him. That was it. But I'm really wanting to just go hug him and ask him, what is the plan? I'm sure it is a plan.
Right. And if I have to ask you about Jasmine, I remember speaking to Abhinav and his standard answer, again, a dignified answer I would say, was, I don't know who Jasmine is because she has hurt him enough, I guess. Where does that affect your relationship with Jasmine, your effort that you perhaps would have made to reconcile with her? Will that affect it?
No, it would not affect, because we are two strong individuals. We carry and take care of our individual relationships. For me, I have made effort at every given possible point with her, and I don't regret that I did that or it did not work out, or what Abhinav has gone through with her. So for me, it is like I have stepped out with a clean slate, and I told that her specifically. But somewhere I sense that she's still carrying the baggage. So I'm giving her that space and time for her to just shed off the burden, because it will be difficult for her only. And the time she realizes it will be the time she'll see me, that I'm there with open arms, ready to embrace her again. But she has to first open herself up.
I hope that happens because we loved your camaraderie that you shared inside the house. You, Abhinav, Jasmine, and of course Ali later on. Coming to Ali, there is a sibling bond that has been brewing inside the house. How far, or how much will that affect your relationship? I mean, is that a reason enough to make a little bit of more effort to bond with Jasmine? Because of course, Jasly is happy.
My relationship with Ali is irrespective of Jasmine. I would not put in effort because of Ali, because when you put in effort, I have tried that. When you put in effort, it just becomes hopeless, because if the other person is not open enough, is not receptive enough, it's futile. So, but on the other hand, with Ali, I wish to put even more effort, carry the relationship ahead along. And in meanwhile, I have faith that things with Jasmine will definitely come to fruition, and she has to actually shed off the burden, because it's not just because it'll help us reconnect, but because it won't be healthy for her also.
Lastly, if I have to ask you, do you regret any moment in particular, Rubina, throughout your journey? Because you have had your own share of ups and downs, like I mentioned, wherein you have revealed about your personal life, which was again, so a lot of people felt it was for the camera, but both of you have already proved that wrong. But do you regret anything at all?
No, darling. When you embrace your failures, there is no regret. And I am not ashamed of saying that I'm a flawed human being, but that's what makes me unique as well. And if I'm able to inspire even a single person through my life's journey, that's going to be more victorious for me than anything.
Great. Thank you. Thank you so much, Rubina. And before we let you go, any message for your fans?
It is only and only because of you that I stand here with my trophy, and I owe every bit of it to you. Thank you.